Welcome to our brand new travel website and blog about Bali, the island of the gods. With our website, you can now easily plan your perfect Bali getaway. Our blog is filled with tips and recommendations for the best experiences, food, and cultural activities in Bali. The whole site is also multilingual, and all presented information is available in both English and Croatian at the moment. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore the temples, or immerse yourself in the local culture, our website has everything you need to know. We will be providing you with recommendations for seasoned local photographers to follow you around, local tour guides, accommodation options, and best car rental deals. Our blog also features insider tips for off-the-beaten-path adventures and unique experiences. Right now, you can subscribe to our newsletter, as well as contact us directly via the contact form, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram Messenger. So what are you waiting for? Visit our brand new travel website and blog about Bali today and start planning your dream vacation in paradise. Our URL is balimojo.dolcevitabali.com/travel. See you in Bali.